So, ito na yung Mecman wireless microphone. Ang model ay MCK 100. So natin. Wow. Okay, ang bigat. Lagyan natin ng battery. So bukas magagamit natin ito. Testingin natin sa event bukas. Mayroong wedding event tayo bukas. On 619 1.25. Tingnan natin sa PC. Hello. Ito. Check. Meron. Testingin natin ito bukas. So, okay. Thumbs up. So, good morning guys. Ang araw ngayon ay December 19. Meron tayong wedding event with LED wall. Ayan. Ang package natin ay basic lights and sounds with LED wall. So, ang wedding ay sa Tagaytay. Biyahe tayo ng Tagaytay guys. Panoorin niyo kami. Whee! Sa tapos So ito yung venue natin sa Indang Sorry Events Place. Tignan natin yung final setup ng ating sound system at LED wall. Tingnan, entrance. Wow. Speaker. Kasama natin si DJ Chris. What's up? What's up? Johan, assistant. Soundman. Meron din tayong 4 na front lights. Nakatutok yan sa ceiling. Ceiling lang yan, ceiling. Buksan natin ha. Buksan natin. Yan. Yan lang ang effects. So ito guys yung setup ng ceremony. Dito tayo. Naglatag tayo nag-ready tayo ng isang speaker, yung Adinox 12A. Yun sa gilid. Ito. Tapos yung ating table ay dito sa pinakadulo kasi kanina umuulan, umaambon kaya dito nilagay. Merong tutugtog. Ito yung ating gamit. Meron tayong Yamaha MG 10XU na copy. So ito yung ating RBR. So, meron tayong sub mixer. Ito yung sub mixer natin para sa keyboard at saka iba pang mga gitara. Dito sila ko. Control nila to. Nag-in tayo dito sa channel 5 and 6. Tapos kinonect natin sa main out. Ang ginamit natin ay RCA. Ito, RCA. So control nila dito sa main. Yan ang volume nila. Tapos individual volume para sa piano, organ at saka sa acoustic guitar.
reception of Tom and Kai. To all our guests, pwede ba kung marinig ang isang malakas ang maraming kasamang hiyan? Let's do this one more time. Mas malakas ang palakpakan for Tom and Kai! By the way, I'm John Alvarez, your sensational host. Good evening, everybody. Are you guys ready? Yes, you are? I hope you are ready. Let's begin the celebration right now. A pleasant evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this parade event space here at the City of Tagaytay. And my name is John Alvarez, your sensational host from Metro Manila. This is the wedding reception of Mr. and Mrs. Tom and Kai Miners. I know most of you have traveled from different locations around Manila just to be here and be part of this wonderful celebration of love, vow, and commitment. So to all our guests, there is only 4 things that you should take note and are reminders. Number 1, please enjoy. Number 2, have fun. Number 3, eat all you can. Yes. And number 4, please stay until the end. Tonight, there is a lot of surprises, performances, entertainment, and of course, wedding traditions to celebrate our newlyweds, of course, Tom and Kai. For us to start the celebration, right, let's begin by playing our first game. First game for tonight is called Name That Tune. Everybody raise your hand if you know the title of the song that our DJ will play. If your answer is correct, you will be given a special prize provided by Tom and Kai. So if you want to earn some prizes for this time, raise your hand and be the first one to answer. Are you guys ready? Let's begin the game. First song, play. Look at your cards. And life starts at 40. Sit down. 40, sit down. And 38, sit down. I-22, sit down. And 35, sit down. O-61.
So guys, SD na po. SD na po. Malapit na po matapos yung ating event.
Virtues from beautiful dreams. A woman of purity, honest, wise, and feminine.
It's very special for me that we're going to be here at some of those places. And then I hope to meet you guys in the years to come. So I want to meet a lot and I'll be coming here a lot. Thank you to family from Davao and the family from Polino, Salvador, and also our church friends.
Lahat po nagpupunta sa araw ng mga sagot dito. Nag-enjoy kasama kami. Ay lahat, salamat po sa inyo lahat sa kami mga nag-travel. Thank you po sa lahat. Yung mga
everybody. So